Today we will be discussing about environmental monitoring program. So if you are a BRCGS or FSSC certified site or are in the process of getting the certification for the same, you must have heard about environmental monitoring program. We get a lot of requests from our clients regarding the documentation and templates of environmental monitoring program. So stay tuned in this video to understand how you can implement environmental monitoring program and also to understand what are the different documents and templates that we can provide you in order to make your certification smoother. Hello, welcome to Assure Food Safety. We are your digital food safety consultant. Watch, learn and implement with Assure. So, environmental monitoring program is a proactive and preventive approach to eliminate or to identify the source of environmental microbes such as pathogens and spoilage organisms, and to take immediate corrective actions so as to prevent the occurrence of these particular organisms into the contamination of the product. So in doing so, we also avoid any kind of food safety incidences, any kind of customer complaints or any kind of non-conforming product that can occur. So it is a preventive approach basically. You might have different organisms in the facility which may not always be detected by the various day-to-day activities. By having such kind of program, you can identify if there is any prevalent pathogen or spoilage causing organism, in spite of having the different various practices that you have in your facility, is causing any kind of contamination in your product or not. So there are two main benefits of having environmental monitoring program. First one is that you get to understand the effectiveness of the cleaning and hygiene activities that are happening at your facility, and the area which may have incidences of such microbial contamination can be further investigated and further actions can be taken, whether it needs to be cleaned further properly or any kind of other actions such as discarding the equipments that are often more susceptible to microbial activity can be done. Next one is that any kind of source of contamination into the product can be detected before it happens. So any food safety incident in which there was suppose any pathogen occurrence in the product that happens, in that case you can in advance identify what are the different sources which are actually leading to such kind of incidents of any kind of spoilage or pathogens in your facility. So those are the two benefits of having environmental monitoring program. So if you have a low risk product or environment, you cannot simply opt out of having an environmental monitoring program. It is necessary that your risk assessment has the relevant hazards identified, as well as the monitoring procedures, as well as the frequency which is required. Okay, so apart from this, there are some products which are more need to be considered in terms of having environmental monitoring, which are high risk, high care, ambient high care products, and in that environmental monitoring should be considered wherever the products are open to the environment. So environmental monitoring will also be applicable to some products which are conventionally not considered to be high risk or high care products, but there have been some history of food safety incidences in the past, such as cantaloupe melon, then milk powder, chocolates, peanut butter. So in that case, it is important, and there has been cases in which they were able to identify an early case of source of contamination in such kind of products. Environmental monitoring program can also help in enhancing the shelf life of the product. If any product that has been having a lower shelf life than its conventional type of the product, so in that case, having an environmental monitoring program will also help you to identify what are the sources of spoilage causing areas or environments where there is a lot of contamination that can happen and which can further reduce the shelf life of the product. So that is very handy, having an environmental monitoring program in such product. So let's understand what are the requirements of environmental monitoring program as per BRCGS. So as per BRCGS, it is required to have a risk-based environmental monitoring program. So the risk-based environmental monitoring program should include the sampling procedures, the sampling locations, which means the areas such as the equipment, conveyor belt, or any table which is used for handling of product, or the air vents or the hands of people, that becomes the sampling areas or locations. Then there can be the type of organisms that are tested. For example, there can be pathogens which cause, which are have possibility to cause diseases in humans. So those are called pathogens. Then there can be any indicator organisms, which are the organisms, it becomes a group of organisms which necessarily don't have any any kind of diseases involved, or have any pathogenicity in it, but can indicate the kind of hygiene practices that happen. So that can be one. And then the spoilage organisms, the organisms which can cause spoilage in and reduce the shelf life of the product. So all three kind of organisms should be considered. Then there has to be the frequency of monitoring, which can be directly linked to the kind of results that you're getting, or the kind of the flow of the material and is happening in your environment. And also the test methods which are used, whether it is plates settle test, or swab test. What kind of tests are used to do this kind of environmental monitoring procedures are required. So let's understand what are the requirements of environmental monitoring program as per BRCGS. So as per BRCGS, it is required to have a risk-based environmental monitoring program. In case the company has any upward trend or too many positive results, which means that too many pathogen incident should not ideally occur. Any kind of pathogen should not be detected in your environment. But apart from this, if there is any spoilage causing organism or any indicative organisms that are normally there in the environment are found, and showing an upward trend, then there has to be some corrective actions that need to be followed. Either the test should be performed again, or there can be more robust cleaning procedures or hygiene procedures involved. Or in some cases, the equipments, if are having surfaces which are not very easy to clean, that can be replaced and more suitable for the food industry. And also if there is related to the hands of the people, where the positive results were found, then you can have more in terms of supervision, in terms of hygiene practices are followed. So all those things should be done. So to ensure that you comply with the requirements of EMP, we have an EMP kit which you can download from the link below. If you have any further questions or any further documents that you would require to understand more about the environmental monitoring program, you can reach out to us with the link which is there in the description, and the email ID info@assureFoodSafety.com, or the phone number which is given below. You can message us on WhatsApp. Till then, hope you have a very good journey towards food safety. See you next time. Bye.